Hello viewers, hope you're doing well. So today we are going to solve problem number 3. That is, what is the cofactor matrix of the coefficient matrix? This is the equation and we have to find out the cofactor matrix. Let's solve it out. Uh, if this type of question appears in professional exams, then you have to be very quick because the time uh, required is less. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna just write down 10 3 10 8 minus 2 9 8 1 minus 10, and the 5 is same, so there is no need to write it down. The entries in the cofactor matrix are the determinants of submatrices resulting from the elimination of row I and column J for the entry Aij. Okay, so let's suppose it's A1. In this case, we have to find A11, A12, A13, then A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Why? Because there are 3 rows and 3 columns. So that's why we have to find the cofactor matrix. The answer should be like that. 3 rows and 3 columns. Then that would be the matrix. So for that, what we're gonna do, the quickest trick that we're gonna use in this type of question, we're gonna make sure that we have to multiply it. To find out the cofactor, we have to multiply it with +1 -1 +1, then -1 +1 -1 +1 +1 +1 sorry, +1 -1 +1 -1 and then +1. So for the A11, we have to skip row 1 and row column. What is the remaining? -2 9 and 1 minus 10, and we have to multiply it with the first number, that is +1. So the answer would be -2 multiplied by -10 minus 9 and 1. Okay, so we will write down the answer over here, but let me do it first. For 1 2 I have to multiply with -1, and with 1 3 I have to multiply with the third one, that is +1. For A21 I have to multiply with the second row, -1. For A22 +1. For A23 -1. And for A31 with +1. For A32 with -1. And for A33 with +1. So let's go. With that, A11 we have to multiply with -1 1, so skipping first row and the second column. First row and second column, we have 8 9 and 8 minus 10. 8 minus 10, minus it's a sign in itself. 8 minus 10 and 9 8, and then we have to skip the first row and the third column. That would be 8 1 minus -2 8. So the answers that would appear after solving it out would be 11, 152, and then 24. Yeah, and with the A21 we have to skip the second row and the first column. Okay, that would be 3 minus 10 minus it's in the style of 10 1, and then 10 minus 10 8, you know how it comes up with skipping second row and second column. Second row and second column, that would be 10 with the minus 10 and 10, second row and second column, yeah, and 10 8. With the A3 one we have to skip third row and first column, that would be 9 3 minus 10 minus 2 10 9 minus 10 8, and then 10 minus 2 minus 3 8. So the answer would be for that, for A21 40, A22 minus 180, and for A23 I didn't solve it out as to skip this second row and third column, second row and third column. So that would be 10 1 minus 3 8. Sorry, it happens sometimes. So the answer would be 14. And for the remaining these, with the help of the calculator, you'll be able to solve it out yourself very easily. So this is the big solution, the very of a very complex problem. The solution is like that, but you can do it very easily and quickly with only the position of the entries. So the cofactor matrix is 11 152 24, and then 40 minus 180 14, and then 47 minus 10 minus 44. So that is the cofactor matrix. Thank you so much for watching the video.